2007 Mercedes S550 good mount versus bad mount comparison. So here is bad mount, absolutely collapsed, brand new mount. See the height? It's almost like at least half an inch to 3/4. Now this one is absolutely collapsed. You can see that the rubbers are deep in there. There's nothing there. And then brand new mount, as you can see, the rubber is all the way at the top, and this one is absolutely down. Markings. Don't know the markings, can't tell. Production date 2009 it appears, right? This one is 16, yeah. So somebody did replace this mount. Well, it's made in 2009, the car's 2007, but it doesn't matter. This is the difference between good and bad mount. Just so you know, the cover is on it, you can tell, but if you take the cover off, then obviously we clearly see humongous difference. Alright, so this was a quick one just to I'm changing the driver side engine mount on this S550. The other two are replaced, transmission and passenger side. So just wanted to make a quick comparison. Also, I'm going to put some thread lock because this one, if you look inside, has some corrosion developing. So I would put a little bit of not thread lock, I'm sorry, anti-seize on bolts, threads. Alright, so this is it. This was a quick one in terms of mounts.